Ever felt like your TouchBistro POS system was moving at a snail's pace? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the reasons why TouchBistro might be slowing you down and what you can do about it. Relatable story. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a busy rush hour, and your POS system starts lagging. Customers are piling up, and you're feeling the pressure. It's a frustrating experience that no restaurant owner wants to face. Common issues. Let's explore some of the most common reasons why TouchBistro might be sluggish. Hardware limitations. Is your hardware up to the task? Outdated or underpowered devices can significantly impact TouchBistro's performance. Network connectivity. A slow or unreliable internet connection can cause TouchBistro to crawl. Software conflicts. Are there other applications running in the background that might be interfering with TouchBistro? Data accumulation. Over time, TouchBistro can accumulate a lot of data, which can slow down its operations. Diving into the details. Hardware troubleshooting. Check system requirements. Ensure your hardware meets the minimum system requirements for TouchBistro. Upgrade if necessary. If your hardware is outdated, consider upgrading to a more powerful device. Optimize hardware settings. Adjust your hardware settings to allocate more resources to TouchBistro. Network optimization. Improve internet connection. Upgrade your internet plan or consider using a dedicated business internet connection. Check network interference. Look for any devices or factors that might be interfering with your network. Use a wired connection. Whenever possible, use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable and reliable connection. Software management. Close unnecessary applications. Minimize the number of applications running in the background. Update TouchBistro regularly. Keep your TouchBistro software up to date with the latest patches and updates. Check for third-party conflicts. Identify and address any conflicts with third-party applications that might be affecting TouchBistro. Data management. Regular backups. Back up your TouchBistro data regularly to prevent data loss and ensure smooth operations. Optimize database. Consider optimizing your TouchBistro database to improve performance. Delete unnecessary data. Remove any unnecessary data or files that are taking up space. Additional tips. Cloud-based solutions. Explore cloud-based POS solutions that can offer better scalability and performance. Seek professional help. If you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to TouchBistro's support team or a qualified IT professional. Briefly summarize the main reasons for TouchBistro slowdowns and the corresponding solutions. Encourage viewers to try the suggested solutions and share their experiences in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, a speedy TouchBistro can make a big difference in your restaurant's operations,